everyone, welcome back to Swayam Prakasha. Today we are diving into a cool math trick. It's all about squaring numbers. So, first tell me what is the square of a number? It simply means multiplying the number by itself. For example, 7 square or 7 multiplied by 7 equals 49. Easy, right? Now, here comes the fun part. Let me show you a super easy way to square any two-digit number that ends with 5. For that, you only need to remember two simple steps. Step 1. Take the first digit and multiply it by the next higher digit. Let's try with 25. The first digit is 2. The next digit after 2 is 3. So, 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6. Step 2. Now just take 25 to the end of that number. So we take the 6 from step 1 and attach 25 at the end. That gives us 625. So 25 squared 625. Let's do another one. How about squaring 65? Step 1. The first digit is 6. The next higher digit to 6 is 7. So 6 multiplied by 7 equals 42. Step 2. Now just attach 25 to the end. That gives us 4225. So 65 square equals 4225. Alright, now it's your turn. Try these and let me know your answers in the comments. 85 square, 75 square, and 15 square. But wait, there's more. There's a similar trick for multiplying two digit numbers that have the same first digit and the last digit sum is equal to 10. Let's see how that works. Take 73 multiplied by 77. Both numbers start with 7 and the last digits 3 plus 7 equals 10. Step 1. Multiply 7, that is the first digit, by the next number, 8. So 7 multiplied by 8 equals 56. Step 2. Now multiply the last digits. 3 multiplied by 7 equals 21. Put them together. You get 5621. So 73 multiplied by 77 equals 5621. Let's try one more. 96 multiplied by 94. The first digits both are 9. Last digits are 6 and 4, which add up to 10. Step 1. 9 multiplied by 10 equals 90. Step 2. 6 multiplied by 4 equals 24. Final answer 9024. Pretty awesome, right? Now you try. 49 multiplied by 41. 45 multiplied by 45. 43 multiplied by 47. Drop your answers in the comments. And if you enjoyed this trick, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, comment below, and subscribe to Swayam Prakasha for more fun math videos. Thank you so much for watching. Keep smiling, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.